Shiba Inu Games is overhauling their flagship game, Shiba Eternity. Players will need new accounts due to the many new features. Returning players will receive compensation for their old cards and achievements to help them start fresh. The game still integrates with blockchain technology through Shiboshi NFTs, allowing special features and earning opportunities. Gameplay focuses on strategic selection and use of Shiboshis and their traits. The developers plan to further incorporate blockchain technology through NFT staking on Shibarium. Players can participate in various competitive formats for in-game rewards.